Mummy? You want to shout out my name? So, this is our colouring book, and it's coming from a store, and it's from, it's for Mum. Yeah, and it's only £59, is it? Yeah, and it's £5.99, and you can only get this when you think there's a clock in it. And you all know shout out where it's from?
B&M.
Yeah, so I'll open it up. Shall we open it up?
Okay.
And we've got a clock here, and we all know that it's a clock. And I'll show you what is inside it. So let's open it. And this is a green pen what you can colour in like that. So good. Because it can also colour in like that or like that. It doesn't matter how you colour it in as long as you stay in the lines. And it'll be good if you just kind of colour in with about going out the lines. Let's see if you can get out of stay in the lines. Does that look good? I'll show you all the other colours, shall I? And you've got a purple colour where you can actually colour in like this. Doesn't matter how you colour it in as long as you stay in the lines. Because we have to stay in the lines if you want to. You don't need to stay in the line if you're drawing a picture. So we have to stay in the lines, for real, this one. So you can also colour it in, but as long as you stay in the lines. Can you all remember that? You can only colour in about going up the lines, like that. Shall I show you all the other colours? And this one, and this is the one last colour, where you can colour in like this. But you can only stay in the lines. You can also colour in this, only if you stay in the lines. And you can buy this somewhere at the store I just said. Can you all remember what I said? Shout it to me. And how much is it? Yes. You can only buy this if you can stay in the lines. Shall I show you the rest? It's not going to be colours, it's going to be special stuff. Oh, I can't show you that one because that one has sellotape in it. And we've also got glue and glitter, what you might like. And you can stick it somewhere. You want to stick it, shall we carry on colouring in? Let's try it out. If we can stay in the lines. Let's try to stay in the lines. So let's stay in the lines, try to stay in the lines, try to stay in the lines. You can only stay in the lines if you want to, but yeah, really, this one is true stay in the lines. so you can't go out the lines. Can you remember what I said? And this is a good pen, and you have to take care of them because you don't want them to dry out. Can you say that? We've got this. We've got here, and we've got some jewels, or I could say gems. No matter what we say, as long. Here we've got some glue. We can only put a little bit of that. Can I put that much? Can you open this please for me? And then we can. You can't get it too much. These, and we're gonna stick it in like that. Let's see. And we can leave the glue to dry. And try again. Let's see if this will work. Let's see with. And then we try to stick this on too, and put that, just drop that on, and then stick. How we do it? Stick that one like that, stick that one down, and then we're finished with the glue. And I'll show you later when I finish colouring.